Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to convert a monitor into a TV with the help of TV sticks. So I bought this Amazon branded Fire TV stick. So there is options available in Google also. So you can buy whatever it is affordable for you. So with the help of this TV stick, let's see how to convert our monitor into a TV. Come on guys. So guys, let's unpack this Amazon Fire TV stick pack. So let's see what are the things available inside this box. So you can see first there will be an instruction manual. After that a power cable. So this power cable only giving power supply to the Fire TV stick separately. So the monitor power alone are not enough for Fire TV stick to switch on. So there will be a separate power supply for Fire TV stick. So for that purpose this cable is provided. And this is Fire TV stick. So this is the main material, so which going to convert our monitor into a TV, and this should be attached to the HDMI port of the monitor. Finally, a remote to operate your TV. So this is a Bluetooth based operating remote, so you don't want to worry about absence of sensors in your monitor. This will work properly as it's have inbuilt Bluetooth facilities to operate the Fire TV stick. So come on guys, let's convert our monitor into a TV. So guys, first take this power cable and use any of your mobile power adapter and insert it into it. And you should attach the another end of the cable to the Amazon Fire TV stick like this. There will be a option C port, there will be available. So insert it into it, and next attach this Fire TV stick to the monitor's HDMI port. I have used HDMI extender, so I am inserting it into it. Like um, do it patiently because it will be more tighter. So be patient while attaching it. Then give a power supply to it. So that's it, guys. You can see our monitor has been converted into TV. So the another mandatory thing is internet connection. So you need it throughout the time while you use this device. So that's it guys. Now you can see our monitor fully transformed into a smart TV. So you can use it however you want, like how I'm playing this Kantara movie for example. So this is how you can convert your monitor into a TV. So guys, you see how to convert a monitor into a TV easily, like using this TV stick, which is look like a pen drive. So by just inserting it to a monitor, it will convert into a TV. Just on that pen drive like device also need a separate power supply to get it switched on. So that is the need, and also an internet connection. It is also mandatory. So on the first time alone, it requires Amazon account login process. Once you completed it for the first time, you don't want to do it again. So you can change your monitor whenever you needed it into a TV. So that's it. It's this much simple, guys. And you might ask, is this the only option to convert our monitor into TV? Means no, definitely not. There is an alternate option also, which is like you can use your Wi-Fi connection. Like if you are having a Airtel or Jio Wi-Fi connection in your home, means that device will also contains a HDMI port in it. So you can use a HDMI cable and you can connect your monitor and that device, and you can convert your monitor into a TV. But the only difference is like this is one time purchase for this device, not for the OTT platforms. For the OTT platforms you should subscribe personally for as per your needs. That won't be complimentary coming with along with this device. Whereas if you choose that Wi-Fi based like Wi-Fi device connection, it will be defaultly having like OTT as a complementary and along with other normal channels. So based on your needs, you can choose whether to go with this TV stick option or else a Wi-Fi device based option. So it's all up to you. Bye guys. Next time I will come with another update.